Hi everyone, it's Mitch from SportsChatPlace.com, and it's Thursday, December 16, 2010. Here with your free Thursday night NFL football pick. NFL season winding down, just 3 weeks left of the regular season. Of course, we got college football bowl season starting on Saturday, and we have a free college football bowl pool. We're doing it in conjunction with my other site, Picks and Parlays. Never really got the Picks and Parlays site up and off the ground, but we will be. We had a lot of technical issues trying to get that whole back end working, but it looks like we have the kinks worked out. We're going to kick it all off with the college football contest. I'll put a link at sportschatplace.com how to get there. This one is real easy to enter, folks. You just log in, you create a login, a username, and it's cash prizes, no sportsbook signups, no newsletter signups, no forum signups, nothing. All you do is you enter your information, you make your picks, and you're entered. Cash prizes. Probably going to throw in maybe some premium memberships and some shirts. I think Craig Trapp, my partner at Picks and Parlays, who does the radio show with me on Tuesday nights at 7 o'clock Eastern on Blog Talk Radio, Picks and Parlays. I believe he has a whole bunch of stuff lined up for that. So you guys can check out the information. I'll put the link up on the site today. I'll put it in that slide player thing. Also in that slide player, we have free $100 bets from our friends at oddsmaker.com. No obligation, no deposit, just free $100 bets. There are some rollovers that you have to do with that, but that's the same way that it is with any of those bonuses. It's free money, free betting. Hey, you could win cash money. Nothing wrong with that. Of course, winning cash money, making it a lot easier with our premium section, sportschatplace.com premium edition. Been rolling for a few months now. Boy, we got a lot of people signed up for the premium in just our first few months. Real excited about the results more than anything else. Boy, I love giving out winners, and I think all of the guys do. And, Sean Higgs, one of our premium cappers, last night giving Cal Santa Barbara over UNLV on the money line as his premium pick, plus 900. That would have paid for like a 10 years worth of the premium section if you had hit it. Way to go, Sean. Great pick. And, of course, Dan has been entering NBA picks in there as well. Nailed his premium pick. That's 2 in 2 days for Dan. He only entered in 2 picks this week. He hit both of those as well. Our cappers have been red hot. I've been red hot. Monday night, nailed both the football games. But we've been on an NFL roll for months in that premium section. Of course, all of my college football bowl coverage, as far as the sides, I'll have at least a pick on every single game in the premium section this year for college football bowl. So be sure to sign up for sportschatplace.com premium edition. Not a better value any time of year, and boy, during college football bowl season, you're not going to find a better value anyway. But anyways, let's get to tonight's Thursday night football pick. San Diego Chargers and San Francisco 49ers. I love these West Coast matchups for what are considered the night games, because usually they'll go out there, and the game will start off, and for everybody else, like on the East Coast and us, here in Central Time, it's already dark outside, and then they show there in the West Coast, it's still light outside, but they're calling it night football. It's right, but with this time of year, it gets dark in a hurry, and the season started off pretty dark for both these teams. They both started off with pretty bad losing records, and they've kind of scratched and clawed their way back. Both of them play in the Western Division. Of course, the Chargers in the AFC West and the San Francisco 49ers in the NFC West, and neither of those divisions are anywhere close to being decided. Both these teams are in second place in their division, a game back of the leaders. In San Francisco's case, there's 2 teams in front of them, and in San Diego's case, of course, just the Kansas City Chiefs in front of them in the AFC West. But this one is going to be a really, really hard-hitting. I think we're going to see a lot of solid defense. I really like the way the Chargers defense has stepped it up. Sean Phillips, probably one of the most underrated players in the game. You don't hear a lot of him. If his name was Ndamukong Suh, or however you pronounce Suh's first name, you'd be hearing plenty about him. But I think Sean Phillips really having a monster year on the defensive line in San Diego. And, of course, in San Francisco, Patrick Willis. He's the new Ray Lewis, kind of like, this is my house, and you guys aren't coming in. I think we see a ton of defense. I think we see a ton of running. I think we're all in bed early, because I think the clock runs pretty quickly, as both teams are going to be running the ball, trying to grind it out, do whatever it takes to get some points on the board in this thing. The over-under, is set, I believe, 44.5 right now. I've seen it as high as 45. But I'll tell you what, it's not going to come near that number. This one's staying under, so our free pick for this game is the under. I have a play on the side in this game as well as to who's going to cover the spread. I'll post that one in the premium section. So be sure to join SportsChatPlace.com Premium if you haven't already. Join the hundreds, nearly 1,000 people that are already members, and hop on board. We've been giving away a lot of winners. It's been a great first few months, and of course, it's always good. It's always a good value, and college football bowl season, NFL playoffs, all that stuff, all coming right up on board. So great time to join. Of course, all that flows right into college basketball and March Madness, where guys are tearing it up in that as well. Once again, join our free college football bowl picking contest. It's a no-brainer. It's free to enter. Cash. Money. We'll either PayPal you or send you a check as to if you win the contest, and there's other prizes as well. Craig will list those there, and of course we have our free $100 bet from OddsMaker. Take advantage of this as well. A lot going on, a lot of games, a lot of sports. That's why we love it. This is Mitch from SportsChatPlace.com. Thanks for joining me. Be sure to check out all of our free sports picks, write-ups in action at SportsChatPlace.com. I'll see you guys tomorrow.